If you love to grill but dread the cleanup process, this electric grill brush makes the process so much more simple and easy. It's a rechargeable design, so all you have to do is plug it up, give it a quick charge, and it will be ready to go. It does include 2 power settings, so you can press the power button once for speed 1, a second time for speed 2, depending on how much grease and grime you have going on. And then there's even a light feature, so you can turn that on and help if it's evening or just in general, like the grill is kind of a dark space, so this will help you see what you're cleaning. And then the charge port is right here as well. It's got a little silicone cover. You can unflap that and get your charge cord plugged in. So super simple. It has these 2 different cleaning heads. You have this kind of chain link looking wire material, and then you have more of this classic wire brush here on the back. You can easily take these off with the little screw on the side, give them a good clean, or if you just simply want one of them, if you don't like the standard wire brush, you can take that off altogether. And it does have a little flap here on the back to keep it from slinging stuff all over you. Love it. It's comfortable in the hand, not overly heavy, but it's got enough weight to it to help you in the cleaning process. So it certainly makes a difference. Now, is it going to get rid of all of the grease and grime that's in here? Probably not, but it definitely gets rid of that built up, caked on stuff. Forgive it. I've got a thunderstorm about to happen behind me if you can hear the thunder. So it made a tremendous difference in my grill. Definitely beats other grill brushes. And it does come with this little scraper. If you do have some really tough stuck on grime, you can easily get that removed with the scraper. Plus, you've got some gloves. Keep your hands from getting greasy and gross. I think this is especially nice if you grill often. It's comfortable to hold, it feels sturdy, and the cordless design means it is going to be ready to grab whenever your grill needs cleaning. So if you're looking for an easier, more convenient way to get your grill cleaned between uses, be sure to give this a try.